All right, everyone. A quick update on Pangolin here. So PNG is still looking good. This is exactly what we want to see with the price action off of this large wick. We're starting on the daily channel here, but of course that is the higher low bullish market structure here to be bullish on this thing. So it may be getting ready to move out of this large pattern that we've been watching here. So let's go back over to the weekly chart where we've been watching PNG and just keep it real simple here. As long as the price is above the zero point 0.5 at 22.8 here, anywhere from 22.8 to about 23 cents, you could call it. As long as we're holding here, this looks like a bottom formation to me. And we'll know this thing is breaking out potentially. We do have low to the high 236 here, so we know back over that 236 we would be at least short term extremely bullish over 29 to 30 cents here. We also have high to the low, the 236 is that first price to get over to confirm the bottom is in here. That is the reason we have this green line on the chart, which should be red for resistance here. But there is a double 236 there at that 30-cent range. So once we get over 30 cents, you can see that's potentially going to tell us that this thing's breaking out of this pattern and moving to the upside here. But of course, it could turn into a wick. So we'll have to see where these weekly candles end up. But over 30, I would say this thing is back to being bullish here and potential breakout at that point. If for any reason this thing loses support and we fall below the 0.5 here at 22.8, then of course we do have that that other 382 here to watch. Let me bring that back up here at 15, and if we end up dropping down to 15, that would be a drop of about 40%, and then we can no longer be bullish inside of this pattern here. So this pattern here, we're looking at this very large falling wedge pattern on PNG here, just like in the past where we were in this rather large symmetrical triangle pattern, and then we had that huge run to the upside here. So we're looking for the same thing here, a nice decent run out of this pattern. So keep it that simple, over 22.8 up to 23 cents, and then once this thing gets over 30, that could potentially tell us that we're about to start moving here with some green candles spawning in. Now with all that being said, how high is Pangolin going to go this cycle? We do have our couple of targets on the chart here. If it makes it up to the macro 236, let me go ahead and get the smaller fib off of the chart here. So if it makes it up to the 786 retracement at 133, you can see from where we are in price today at 25.5, that is about almost a 5.5x on your investment to make it to that 300 million market cap. Now we are on the weekly Gate IO chart here. You can see that if it comes back up to near the high according to this chart at $5 would get you about $1 billion market cap. So you may come up and not quite hit it. You may go a little above it, but you can see that if it comes up around $5, you're looking at almost a 20x on your investment. So not bad just to make it up to that level there. And then if this thing is going to end up making a new high, you can see $26, $26.80 at the 1272 here on our chart, a $5.9 billion market cap on Pangolin. That is going to get you a very decent move from today. You could see a 102, 103x on your investment from today in price. If you believe this thing's going to hit a new high and hit this market cap of almost 6 billion there. So what are your thoughts? Where do you think this thing is going to end up? How bullish are you? None of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.